just right. Got me feeling like an angel tonight. Let's get the cookies, I've got something sweeter. Come on closer, let me turn up the heat. Is it the eggnog, or is it just you that makes my heart race when it's just us two? Let's take a chance under the holiday lights. I wanna show you how I'm feeling tonight. Every moment makes me blush, dreaming of your magic touch.
Hey everybody, welcome back to PTSD Penguin. This is Beth. Today we're talking about something that's been on a lot of minds this holiday season: food prices and shortages. It's Christmas, and while the season is supposed to be merry and bright, many of us are facing higher costs and fewer options at the grocery store. So how do we celebrate without breaking the bank or breaking down emotionally? Let's dive right into it. Let's start with the elephant in the room: food prices. If you've been to the store lately, you know it's no secret. Prices are sky high. Butter up, eggs through the roof, and don't even get me started on holiday staples like ham and turkey. According to recent reports, prices for holiday meals have gone up nearly 15% compared to last year. It's tough out there. But here's the thing: Christmas isn't about how much you spend. It's about how much love you pour into it. Now, I know I went to buy eggs the other day, and all the eggs were outdated and they had them on the shelf. So I told the guy at the grocery store, these are all expired, and he said he couldn't get any more, so I'm not sure what's going on with that. Now, one way to manage this year is to think outside of the box. Like, dollar stores could be gold mines for ingredients. You can find canned vegetables, baking supplies, and even little treats to spruce up your holiday meals. Who needs a fancy $50 dessert when you can make a $5 pie that tastes just as sweet? Me, I'd rather have a pumpkin pie than some fancy dessert anyway. Now, let's talk about shortages. Maybe you've been hunting for a specific ingredient, only to find empty shelves. It's frustrating, right? But there is ways to be creative about that. If there's no turkey, why not try a chicken? If you can't find cranberries, how about homemade apple chutney instead? The key is to simplify. Focus on a few meaningful ingredients rather than to create an elaborate feast. Your guests, or even just your family, will appreciate the effort and love behind it, more than just the menu. Now, of course, for some of us, this is not just the food shortages or prices. It's the stress of it all. Feeling that you can't provide the Christmas you imagine for your family that can weigh heavily on you, especially if you're dealing with PTSD or other mental challenges. Here's my advice: give yourself grace. Traditions can evolve. If you can't do the big meal, focus on small moments: a cozy breakfast, a Christmas movie marathon, or even a hot chocolate bar with marshmallows and candy canes. Those moments matter just as much as the big feast. Now, Christmas isn't the turkey or the presents under the tree. It's the love that we share or the memories we create. So whether you're splurging on a big meal or keeping it simple with a small spread, remember that it's the heart behind it that counts. If this video has helped or inspired you, let me know in the comments. Share your budget-friendly holiday tips, and let's get through this season together. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Also, happy Hanukkah and happy Kwanzaa to you who don't celebrate Christmas. And until next time, take care of yourself and have a Merry Christmas.
All of them feel sweet.